Hello everyone, this is Raymond Lee from Raymond's Dental Solutions. Most people who has interested in CO₂ laser may also have interest in this comparison among three major CO₂ laser companies. There are so many categories, and then I will explain the category by category. Design philosophy. Yoshida has dental first stability and longevity. DEKA has a multi-specialty platform, functions, and expansion. LightScalpel has convenience-driven portability and presets. Beam delivery. Yoshida has articulated arm. DEKA also has articulated arm too. LightScalpel has hollow fiber. Workability. Yoshida has dental optimized, lightweight, and balanced system. DEKA has platform type, heavier, higher inertia. LightScalpel has a very flexible handpieces-centric system. Footprint. Yoshida is compact, dental, operatory friendly. DEKA has large oval glass console. LightScalpel is very compact. Beam quality. Yoshida has highly coherent straight beam path. DEKA has coherent platform grade. LightScalpel has divergence with the bending. Spot size approximately. Yoshida has 0.15 mm. In other words, the sharpest in the market. DEKA has 0.2 mm. LightScalpel has 0.25 mm. Flexibility, access. Yoshida has advanced articulated arm comparable to fiber. DEKA has good but bulky system. LightScalpel has high physical flexibility system. Aiming beam. Yoshida has green aiming beam. DEKA has red aiming beam. LightScalpel does not have, intentionally omitted. Visibility in oral cavity. Yoshida has excellent high contrast in red tissue. DEKA has moderate system. LightScalpel operator dependent system. Calibration. Yoshida does not require at all. DEKA required periodic calibration. LightScalpel required daily calibration. Maintenance energy. Yoshida has very low, almost zero maintenance energy. DEKA has high maintenance energy. LightScalpel is same with DEKA. Consumables and core cost drivers. Yoshida just has only 2 handpieces and 4 needle tips. That's why they has almost zero consumable issue. DEKA has very high and variable, many handpiece and tips, glass CO₂ tube replacement every 3 years. LightScalpel also high and recurring, many handpieces and tips, hollow fiber replacement. Long-term ownership, stable and predictable system Yoshida has. DEKA has maintenance-dependent system. LightScalpel has service-dependent system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will be very helpful for your interest.